Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to set up and customize your Roblox profile using just your phone. Let's get started. First, launch the Roblox app on your Android or iPhone and then here, log into your account. Then here, tap the three dots or more button at the bottom right, then select the profile. Then tap the pencil icon or edit button. Here you can add your bio, change your display name, and set your profile picture using your avatar. Then to update your avatar, go back and tap on avatar. Then you can choose your clothes, faces, and accessories, whatever suits your style. And once you're done, your updated profile is live on other Roblox users to see. And that's it. Your profile on Roblox is now set up and looking great. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.